Join me as I dive deep into the future of KSS stock and try to predict what's next for it. KSS stock has been on many investors' radar lately, and for good reason. As a major player in the retail industry, its performance has significant implications for the overall market landscape. KSS stock is facing some significant headwinds that could impact its future performance. First and foremost, market volatility is a major concern. As we've seen in recent months, even a slight downturn in the market can send shockwaves through the entire retail sector. Additionally, increasing competition from online retailers is forcing brick-and-mortar stores like KSS to rethink their business models and adapt to a rapidly changing landscape. Furthermore, economic factors such as interest rate hikes and trade policies can also have a ripple effect on consumer spending habits, which could in turn impact KSS's bottom line. And finally, the company's own internal struggles, including leadership changes and restructuring efforts, are also worth keeping an eye on. These challenges are likely to continue weighing on KSS stock in the short term, making it difficult for investors to predict its future trajectory. The company's efforts to revamp its e-commerce platform and expand its online offerings are promising, but it's still unclear whether these moves will be enough to offset the decline of in-store sales. Meanwhile, the company's recent earnings reports have been lackluster, to say the least, which has led many analysts to question whether KSS is truly a viable long-term investment. Despite these challenges, there are some bright spots on the horizon for KSS stock. Recent news reports suggest that the company is making progress on its restructuring efforts, and some analysts are even predicting a turnaround in the company's fortunes. Additionally, the company's strong brand recognition and loyal customer base are major assets that could help it weather the current retail storm. And let's not forget the dividend yield. At over 4%, it's one of the highest in the retail sector, making KSS stock an attractive option for income investors. So what does it all mean for KSS stock's future? In my opinion, the most critical factor to watch will be the company's ability to adapt to the changing retail landscape. If KSS can successfully pivot its business model to focus on e-commerce and experiential retail, I think there's a good chance it will be able to regain its footing and even thrive in the long term. However, if the company continues to struggle to find its footing, I fear it may be left behind in the dust. Only time will tell, but one thing is for sure, it's going to be a wild ride. To recap, KSS stock is facing some significant challenges in the short term, but there are also some promising signs on the horizon. Whether the company can successfully navigate the current retail landscape and emerge stronger on the other side remains to be seen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts on KSS stock in the comments below. If you're looking for more stock analysis and insights, be sure to check out my next video.